Okay guys, Chris with Chris Does What, Danielle of course with Diane with Danielle, and quick update on the boat. I keep getting my greasy hands all over it. She gets angry.
No I don't, I just have to wash it off again.
So let's go over what we've done thus far, and then we'll of course do more because it's not done. So if you go inside here, we've got video of us cutting that ski locker out, and so we got a ski locker cut in. It's not finished, so we're going to of course glass the lip around that. The stereo is installed. It's behind this red cup. We're thinking about using that little subwoofer, putting that under the dash somewhere, and using that amp. We'll do a review on that later. But that's an old speaker. And then, of course, the boat is shiny all the way to the back. Then when you get to the back, it gets all kinds of ugly. Now this sucker was, you know, of course, very white, chalky white with oxidization. And then the back here, we're all the way to the back of the garage, but we went up here and we cut off the trailer tongue. So I used just a simple grinder and cut that off. Got a video of that. And it now fits. Now I just have to put in the piece that will allow the tongue to swivel and not just sit there leaned against the trailer. So we'll keep you in the loop on what we're doing, and of course we'll try to explain best we can on how we do things. Of course, a boat is a learning experience for us, so you know, we're learning together. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's right down there, looks about like that. And if you want some yummy, tasty recipes that made me the man I am today, check out dininginwithdanielle.com.
I just put out my pumpkin puree, so
yes,
there's going to be lots of those kind of things coming out soon.
And pumpkin bread's coming. Oh, that was awesome. I've already had some. It is good. So, y'all please take care.